This video tutorial I will explain what is encryption at rest. Encryption at rest refers to the process of securing sensitive data when it is stored or at rest in a system or a database. When data is not actively being used, it is often stored on hard drives, servers, or in the databases. Encryption at rest ensures that the stored data remains protected and unreadable to unauthorized users or hackers. We can think of encryption as the way to convert your sensitive information into a secret code that only authorized individuals or system can decipher. This process involves using algorithms to scramble the data, making it unreadable without the correct decryption key. Essentially, encryption transforms your data into an unreadable format to prevent unauthorized access. Imagine your data is like a treasure chest. Encryption is like putting lock on the chest. Only someone with the right key can unlock and access the treasure inside. In the context of digital systems, encryption at rest is crucial for safeguarding sensitive information like personal details, financial records, passwords, or any other confidential data. By employing encryption techniques, even if someone gains access to the stored data, it appears as nonsensical characters without the decryption key. Overall, encryption at rest helps to maintain data privacy and security by ensuring that if data falls into the wrong hands or accessed without authorization, it remains unreadable and protected. Now we will see how to implement encryption at rest. Implementing encryption at rest involves encrypting the data stored in databases or servers or any storage medium so that the data remains secure even when it is not actively being used or transmitted. Step 1 is choose an encryption algorithm. We have to choose a robust encryption algorithm. Common choices are AES algorithm and RSA algorithm. AES is symmetric encryption algorithm which uses same key for encryption and decryption, while RSA is asymmetric encryption algorithm which uses public and private keys. The second step is identify sensitive data. Determine which data needs encryption. Sensitive information like personal details, financial records, passwords, or any confidential data should be encrypted. Third step is encrypt data before storage. Use encryption libraries or built-in encryption features provided by your programming language or database system to encrypt sensitive data before storing it. For example, in Java application, you might use libraries like JCA for encryption. JCA is nothing but Java cryptography architecture. Fourth step is secure encryption keys. Safeguard encryption keys. Keys are essential for encrypting and decrypting the data. Store them securely using a key management system or hardware security models. Ensure that only authorized individuals have access to these keys. Fifth step is implement secure storage. Store encryption data in a secure storage system. Ensure that storage system or database is also secure to prevent unauthorized access. We can apply additional security measures like access controls and regular security audits. Sixth step is use secure transmission protocols. When transmitting encrypted data, use secure communication protocols like HTTPS protocol to ensure encrypted data remains secure during transit. Seventh step is regularly update and monitor security measures. Stay updated with latest security practices, encryption standards, and vulnerabilities. Regularly monitor and audit your encryption implementation to identify and address any potential security loopholes. Eighth step is compliance and regulation. Be aware of industry specific regulations and compliance requirements related to data encryption. Ensure that your implementation meets these standards. such as GDPR, HIPAA, etc., if applicable. Remember, while encryption at rest is crucial for data security, it is only one aspect of comprehensive security strategy. It is essential to combine encryption with other security measures like authentication, access controls, regular backups, and secure coding practices to build a robust security framework. Always consult security professionals or experts when implementing encryption, especially in sensitive environments or application handling high confidential data. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.